Some students are sweating it out inside one Prince George's County school, but it's not over their grades. Their AC is busted. DC News Now's Tim Reed reports when the kids could finally cool off.
For the past 3 weeks, the principal says the air conditioning system has not been working here at William Hall Academy in Capitol Heights, Maryland. Parents and students are frustrated, but school administrators say the AC is being fixed.
And as a mother who was concerned about her child being in this building with the heat as it was, because my daughter also has asthma, so I was worried about that too because it was very hot in there.
Phyllis Wright and many other parents are frustrated and concerned about their kids who attend William Hall Academy. Wright's daughter is in the 8th grade. In recent weeks, the building has been hot because the air conditioning system has not been working.
Is somebody passing out getting sick? That was my main concern because of the heat, because we have children with different needs in here as well. So I wasn't just concerned about my child, I was concerned about every baby and the staff as well.
School officials say workers began installing a new AC system back in January, but the job was never finished. The project was delayed because necessary equipment did not arrive on time. The school system's chief operating officer says the work now is moving forward.
So one of our capital program projects for improvement at William Hall Academy was to put in a new air conditioning system that includes 2 new chillers, full piping replacement, as well as new controls.
Come on, Dr. Come on here, give me a hug. Thank you so much.
Knowing her daughter's school will soon have AC again is making this mother feel a lot better.
I felt a little at ease because I knew something was being done.
School leaders tell us they are hoping to have the air conditioning system restored by Thursday. In Capitol Heights, Maryland, Tim Reed, DC